Welcome back to Design Hub. In today's episode, we will learn something very important in pressure vessel safety, PSV Orifice Sizing Calculation. And not just normal sizing. We will focus on the fire relief scenario, which is one of the most critical cases as per API 521. So let's understand how to calculate the required orifice area and how to select the API 526 orifice letter, step by step. Now, fire case sizing is totally different from blocked outlet or control valve failure, because in fire case, the vessel is heated from outside and the liquid inside starts boiling. So the relief load is not based on inlet flow rate. It is based on the heat absorbed by the wetted surface area. That's why the fire case is always calculated using white heavy checkmark wetted area heat input vapor generation rate PSV orifice area. Now let's take the reference case study. We have a vertical steam condensate separator. The vessel diameter is 0.8 meters, total height is 3.28 meters, and liquid level is around 2.775 meters. The fluid is condensate, so our molecular weight is 18, compressibility factor is 0.79, and K value is 1.08. PSV set pressure is 50 bar, and fire case accumulation is 21%. Back pressure in the outlet system is 20 bar absolute. Now, first step is to calculate the relieving pressure. Because PSV does not size on set pressure, it sizes on relieving pressure. For fire case, accumulation is 21%, so relieving pressure becomes set pressure multiplied by 1.21, and then we add atmospheric pressure to convert into absolute. And in this reference, the relieving pressure comes to 61.5 bar absolute. Next step is very important, wetted area calculation. Wetted area means a vessel's surface area that is covered by liquid and exposed to fire. Only this portion receives heat from fire and creates vapor. Based on vessel diameter and liquid height, the wetted area calculated is 8.936 square meters. Now after wetted area, we calculate the heat input Q using API 521 fire equation. This equation includes a constant, insulation factor, and wetted area raised to power 0.82. Here, insulation factor is taken as 1 because the vessel is considered bare and exposed. And the final heat input comes around 427,000 watts. This is the heat that will enter the vessel during a fire. Now, once with no heat input, we convert that into mass relief rate. So basically, heat causes liquid to boil, and boiling produces vapor. The vapor generation rate is calculated using heat input divided by latent heat of vaporization. And after conversion, the total relief load becomes around 534 kilograms per hour. Meaning, during fire, PSV must release 534 kilograms per hour of vapor to protect the vessel. Now, before orifice sizing, we must check if the flow is critical, meaning choke flow. For this, we calculate critical pressure ratio using K value. In this example, critical pressure comes to around 36.2 bar absolute, and outlet back pressure is only 20 bar absolute, which is less than critical. So flow becomes critical, meaning it is choke flow. This is a very common condition in gas and vapor PSV sizing. Now we apply the API 520 gas or vapor equation to calculate required orifice area. We use discharge coefficient KD as 0.975, back pressure correction KB as 1, and combination correction KC as 1. And the final required area comes around white heavy checkmark 0.175 square centimeters. White heavy checkmark 0.027 square inches. Now final step is selection of standard PSV orifice letter using API 526 table. Rule is very simple. Select the next highest standard area, which is greater than the required area. In this reference case, the selected orifice comes as D size, and due to back pressure considerations, a balanced PSV is preferred. So let's quickly summarize the final result. Fire case relieving pressure is 61.5 bar absolute. Wetted area is 8.936 square meters. Heat input is 427,000 watts. And vapor relief rate is 534 kilograms per hour. Flow is critical, and required orifice area is 0.027 square inches. So the final orifice designation is API 526D. This is a complete workflow of PSV orifice sizing for fire release scenario. Now remember this golden chain. Fire heats vessel. White heavy checkmark liquid boils. White heavy checkmark vapor is produced. White heavy checkmark pressurizes. White heavy checkmark PSV releases vapor. White heavy checkmark vessel stays safe. So the main calculation path is wetted area, heat input, vapor load, orifice area, orifice letter.